One of the very interesting effects that we can be applying on our text is using clipping masks. So we can be using our type as clipping mask to have a very interesting effect for our type. So here for instance we have that line type, and also we have that image below our text, and as you can see this one is quite colorful. Then we can be selecting both of our elements and going to object, clipping mask, make, or we can be using command or control 7. And as you can see, instantly we're getting that amazing effect by clipping images within our text. And even we can be customizing either our text or our image. So we can be going to our layer, expanding our clipping group, and we can be selecting our image, or we can be selecting our image also from here by edit contents. Then we can be moving our image around for different effects like that, or even we can be scaling our image for different results. And also we can still edit that text by selecting our type tool, and we can start typing anything if we would like. So maybe you can be inserting that mark in here, or even we can be changing the style for that font. So we can be opening the character panel and selecting maybe that word in here. And as you can see, that font is variable font. So we can be quickly changing the style for that font by clicking that button, and we can be adding maybe some slant, or maybe get it even more bolder like that. And as you can see, we are controlling our clipping path, and we can be nudging that one a little bit to the right like that. And here is also another interesting effect that we can be applying on our type by also using the clipping mask effect. And actually that clipping type is so trending these days. So in this artboard we have that image in here, and actually we're not going to be using that type in here to clip that image. However, we're going to be using that type in here to be engraved or transparent through that white rectangle. So in that case we're going to be converting that text into outline. So we can be using our shape builder tool or our pathfinder panel to subtract these words from the rectangle. So we're going to be selecting everything, then pressing shift to deselect the image and that white rectangle, and only selecting these words in here. So we're gonna be right clicking these words and selecting create outlines. Then we need to group them by right clicking again and choosing to group. And we need to add that white rectangle to our selection by pressing shift and clicking on that white rectangle. Going to our pathfinder panel from here and selecting pathfinder. Then we're gonna be selecting exclude. You can leave it in black if you like that color, or you can go to swatches and selecting white, and you will be having that very interesting effect that's so trending these days. So hope you like these effects. Take care and thank you so much for your time.